afternoon. This is Mrs. Kroll, the assistant principal at Travis Elementary School. I just wanted to commend our teachers, students, and parents for such a job well done during our virtual summer school program. I know this is new to everyone, and we're all trying to figure out how to work Zoom and Seesaw and the learning apps all at the same time. But our students are actually catching on quite quickly, and I commend everyone for continuing to be patient as we navigate through this new program. Today, this video is going to be an instructional video on how to use Seesaw. So Seesaw is an app and it's also web-based. So if you have a device that allows you to download apps, such as an iPad, then you can go to your device's store and download Seesaw. And the app, when you open it, will look something like this. If you don't have a device that downloads apps, that's okay. You can actually open your web browser. I'm going to use Chrome. And if you go to web.seesaw.me, it will bring you to the website. Once you get to the website, you can click log in. And it's taking a moment on this device for some reason. Okay, once you get to this screen, you're going to click on I'm a student. And because I'm on an iPad, it's not going to allow me to use the website. So I'm going to go to the app and click on I'm a student. And right now it's showing my camera. So if I wanted to scan a QR code, I could. Or I could click on where it says text code and type in my code. Now, every student has been assigned a Seesaw code for the summer, and it won't expire until October. So that code will come from your child's summer school teacher. So please don't type in the code that I'm typing. You will type in the code specific to your child. Once you type in the code, you can click go, and it will bring you to the platform. Now, if you look in the upper left-hand corner where it says Demi Kroll, it should say your student's name or your child's name. And on the right-hand side, I'm actually a sample student in Miss Wesley's class. You'll see where it says Journal, Activities, and Inbox. Your student's teacher during summer school will be doing activities on Zoom to help your child, and then they will have independent practice on Seesaw. So if I click on activities, I can see all of the assignments that Miss Wesley has assigned for her students because I'm a pretend student in her class right now. So we're going to, let's see, let me pick an assignment that might be easy for me to do right now. So I'm going to click on this one that says subtraction with regrouping. So for your student to enter their own answers, you're going to click on the green button that says add response, and the worksheet comes up. Now let's say Miss Wesley has given me a lesson on subtraction without regrouping. This is my opportunity to answer the questions myself. So if you look at the bottom of the screen, there's a hand, a pencil, a blue pen, what looks like a highlighter, a marker, and an eraser. So for this assignment, I'm going to choose the pencil, and your child can actually choose whatever color they want to use for their pencil over on the right-hand side where it has that rainbow. I'm going to keep mine on black just for the example. And once I've chosen the pencil and my color, I'm going to go up to the top of the worksheet where you see, top of the screen where you see the X, the magnifying glass with a plus sign in it, and the square. I'm going to click on the square, And when I click on the square, everything else disappears. But this is going to give me an opportunity to write on the worksheet. So for my name, I might write, this is my name here. You see, I'm using the pencil. And then I can start answering the questions. So 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 8 minus 4 is 4. 5 minus 3 is 2. And so on and so forth. When I'm done with the assignment, I'm going to click on the green check mark in the upper right-hand corner. So I'm going to click on that. And once I do that, I'll find my work under my journal. So we got the assignment from activities, but if I go to journal, I'll see my work there. So let's say I've turned in my work, but I noticed I made a mistake and I still have time to fix it. So at the bottom, near where my worksheet is, you're going to see 3 dots. You're going to see comment, it looks like a file folder, and then 3 dots on the right. I can click on that, and I can click Edit Item. And it's going to bring it back up, and I can make changes if I need to. I can erase. I can go ahead and write things. Let's say I skipped a problem on accident. I can fix it, and so on. So that's how you submit assignments. Let's say in the assignment, it's a writing assignment, and you want to type in your answer. So if you want to do that, over on the left-hand side of your screen where you see the T, the microphone, and a picture of a camera, click on the T, and that's going to bring you to a text box. And you can type in your answer. So let's say my answer is 21. I can type in 21 and then move that anywhere that I want to go. I can even make the box smaller. And this is not the correct answer to this problem, but this is just an example of how you might do that. Again, anytime you want to submit your answers, you click on the green check. Let's say I made a mistake and I don't want that 21 there. At the very top of the screen where you see the X, the magnifying glass, the box, and an arrow pointing to the left and an arrow pointing to the right, I'm going to click on the arrow pointing to the left, and it actually will undo my last few steps. So let's say Miss Wesley wants me to read my problems out as part of my assignment, and she wants to hear how I'm reading it. So I can click on the microphone on the left-hand side, and it's going to tell me that it's going to start recording. And then I can read my problems. 52 minus 31 equals 21. And then I can read my problems. 52 minus 31 equals 21. So you see, once you have that play button there, you can play it, you can press it to make sure that your student's recording went through, and then to submit the assignment, you just click the check mark. So I'm going to go back into that same assignment again. And let's say I didn't like that recording. I can just click re-record and it will delete it. Okay. Now on this particular assignment, there's actually more than one page. So if you look under the green check mark, the current page is highlighted with a blue background, but I can click on the second page, and here's the second page, and here's the third page. So always make sure that you look over to the right to make sure you're completing all the pages. If there's any questions regarding Seesaw, please let me know. It's a very user-friendly program, but you do have to play with it to kind of get used to it. If you have any questions, let us know. And again, I commend everyone for their hard work with the virtual summer school program. We are here to help you. We do have a technology facilitator on site from 8 o'clock to 2 o'clock p.m. every day, Monday through Thursday, so every day of summer school. And also just a reminder that students are required to get on the learning apps by themselves in the afternoon, and we do want them to do 20 minutes on Waterford for first and second grade, Education Galaxy for third, fourth, and fifth grade. Everyone should do 20 minutes on Imagine Math. Everyone should do 20 minutes on STEM Scopes, and everyone should do 20 minutes on Studies Weekly. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any questions, again, please let us know. We are here to help you. Have a blessed day.